Sa nakaraang video ay nagmotor tayo at binisita natin ang Baybay City at pinasyalan ang Incredible Cafe na may napakagandang view. At sinilip din natin ang Lingtaon Peak. Sa video namang ito ay papasyalan natin ang isa sa pinakamalaking zoo dito sa Pilipinas at ito ay ang Cebu Safari Adventure Park. Ang Cebu Safari and Adventure Park ay may lawak na 170 hectares at matatagpuan dito ang higit kumulang na 1,000 na hayop. So tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming adventure. Let's go! What's up mga choy? Meron na naman tayong another adventure mga choy. Tagalog tayo mga choy. Tagalog tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa Cebu Safari. Pero grabe yung grabe yung tao dito. So, doon hanggang doon yung nagpa-park. Punong-puno yung parking. Ang layo ng paparkingan mo. Daming tao. So tara, sama tayo. Another adventure. Cebu Safari Truck. So doon ka papasok. Tapos dito yung waiting area. Asa ka?
Nag-ako to sa briefing, ma'am, sir. Okay, so
Tayo mag-coaster. Pa-video ko na sila. Sige na. Gusto na video. Si mami. Wala sakay sa coaster. Mga birds. Ito pala yung mga birds.
Mom, I really want a bird to
Mag-roof
go on.
I want a bird to go on here.
I want a bird to go on.
Bong ilok. Oh, look at cheese!
What kind of bird is that?
Okay. Ito mo Manila. Mi. Kuwat ang malibang aglanggam. Oh, so cool, Jace.
This is cool today.
It's cool. Del Griza. Ito yung base camp. Meron din restaurant dito. So andito yung restaurant nila. Pwede kang kumain dito. Restaurant. Tayo sa Tiger, oh. So ngayon maglalakad na tayo papunta sa ang dami, pardon?
Sa White Lion.
Maglalakad tayo para papuntang White Lion. So hindi na tayo sasakay kasi madaming tao dun sa baba kung pila.
Ang dapit.
Next stop, White Lion. Wow! Dito, mayroon din kainan. Pwede kayo sumakay dyan, no? Pizza. Restaurant 2. So, apparently, pag ganitong mga December, ang daming tao. So, pag pumunta kayo dito ng December, so prepare na maraming tao. Tignan mo. Daming tao sa restaurant. So after namin sa tawag na? Sa tawag na? Orangutan Town. Orangutan. After yan dyan. Punta naman tayong White Lion. Kapit ako malubat, oh. So, dito na tayo sa White Lion. Pero wala pa. Hindi pa ako napapasok kasi malakas yung ulan. So, antay-antay muna. So, after mo mag-line, dito ka maghihintay. Like, so by batch yung pumapasok sa loob ng White Lion kasi parang sasakay kaya yata ng ano eh, parang bus na may screen, pero I'm not sure. Let's see. Excited na kami. Are you excited?
Are you excited?
Yeah. Let's see the crocodile away. Ah!
Pwede mo lingkod po. No, may lingkuran na.
So this is the waiting area before ka mo sakay ato ta. Hello, baoy.
Messages.
So I will be your tour guide for this week, right? My name is Ken. So for your safety and comfort, please avoid standing while the tram is moving. Do secure hold to the grab bars and do not extend your fingers outside the mesh. We also advise everyone to avoid using flash photographies and selfie sticks during this tour. With nocturnal animals, they're much more active at night, while they spend their daytime sleeping or sitting around that. Alright, now you might be wondering about their colors, why they are called white lions, though they are not entirely white in color. Well, that's because they are not albinos, they are leucistic. So leucistic means they have a partial loss of pigmentation, resulting them to appear pale or nearly white color.
Wow.
And so they are carnivores, so we provide them less chicken or beef, totally for about 5 to 8 kilograms per lion each day.
Wow.
The average weight of a male lion can range up to 180 kilograms, and the average weight of a female lion can range up to 130 kilograms.
What?
So for your lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 12 to 16 years, but years of captivity, they can live much more longer for about 20 to 25 years. Since years of captivity, they don't need to hunt for their food na, since they are provided and well taken care of. And also, despite their size, they can still run for a speed of 81 km/h, since in Tagalog, he is the pinaka-bullet.
And Mom.
Hi, lion.
Hi, Lion.
Hi, Mufasa. That's Mufasa.
Okay, what's your name?
That's why it's Max. And
Max.
The other one is Bogoy.
Max.
Max and Jack.
There, oh. Hi, Buloy.
Lion.
Ang nauso, oh. Ito, may matawanan eh.
Boy.
Yeah, his name is...
Welcome to African Savannah. So I'm your tour guide for today's journey. My name is Dustin. For your safety and comfort, just please remain seated. Do secure hold to the grab bars. Do not extend your arms and do not use flash when taking pictures or videos.
Going. There, Jace, look. Ano, wildebeest? No.
Okay, so first animal we have here the blesbok. So blesbok came from the Dutch term called blaze, referring to their white forehead. They're primarily active during the daytime. Both male and female have horns. So their white markings on their face will serve as their built-in sunscreen protection from the sunlight. So again, we have here the blesbok antelope.
Yeah. Uy, look. Zebra, oh, nasa hakuan. Jace, look. Zebra. Marty. How are you, Marty?
Okay, so we have here a group of zebras. Zebras are known to be herbivore, or they love to eat plants. They spend majority of their day eating plants, leaves, and stems. Fun fact about zebras, they can sleep standing up. They can sleep standing up just by locking up their joints on their knees, just like horses. And they are born with black skin with white stripes. So again, we have here the zebras.
Black skin, white stripe, right? Hi, zebra.
Ryan, sir.
Ryan, uy, nasi Kuya Ryan, oh. Brad, naman ka diri, Brad. Hi, Ryan. Brad. And then Kuya Rapi, Kuya Rapi, hi.
Ryan.
Hello, si Boy. Hi. Hi, si Boy.
So on your left side, the one with the twisted long horns, it is called the greater kudu. Greater kudu can be identified by the white lateral or vertical lines on their bodies. Male have horns while females do not. Their horns will twist once every 2 years when they get older. They're known for becoming motionless when they sense danger or threats in the environment. And at the back, the smaller ones, we have there a group of waterbuck antelope. Waterbuck can be described by the rough coat, long shaggy hair, and their white colors on their throat. Male have horns while females do not. Fun fact about waterbuck, the older they get, the stinkier they become. So again, we have the waterbuck and the greater kudu. Okay, so this one on your right side, we have here the gemsbuck or the oryx gazelle. They can be recognized by their impressive long horns. Their horns can grow up to 35 inches or 85 centimeters long. So they can use their long horns as their defense mechanism in the wild. They are called as the king of the Kalahari Desert. It's because that animal can survive without drinking water just by getting moisture from the plants they eat or consume. It's because they have a low metabolism. That's why they can travel in far distances without drinking water. We also have here the impala. Impala, known as the incredible runners, they are the fastest antelope. They can run about 90 kilometers per hour. So male have horns while females do not. They're also called as the red antelopes in the wild. So again, we have here the impala and the oryx gazelle.
Asa tayo? We're done with the Africa Savannah. Now we're going to crocodile. Crocodile, no? Crocodile ba?
Crocodile, lion.
Here's crocodile. Hala, oy.
Yeah, they're in the water swimming.
Taga ka na yung cellphone na. Good luck. Who's gonna get it?
Panda.
Ah, yeah. Wait. Tail duck. Napaw.
That's a black swan.
Mandarin duck. Oh, black swan na.
Huh?
Ko kayo.
Oh, look at the wings. These are huge.
Oh, the koama na.
Oh, the koama na.
Bisaya.
That's a bar-headed goose.
Bar-headed goose. Somewhere out there. There. There's a bar-headed goose.
Over there, oh.
See?
Over there. You see those? They're biting their tails.
And there's a Sebastopol goose.
This one.
An Indian runner duck.
I like that one.
Back,
That
back,
one's pretty.
Back.
Hindi ganiya ba? Inglingi ba? Ganing duck.
Gee, that's a call duck.
Oh, napadi ay? Napadiri ah. Oh, uy na raw.
Wow.
Yeah,
itong nawan.
Oh, what is that?
Pelican.
Pelican.
What are they saying?
Pelican, yeah. Pink pelicans.
I see one there.
And a great white pelicans.
Thing that I saw.
Here.
Great white pelican.
Look.
I think the capybara is up there.
Oh, I think we're done.
Capybara?
Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Balik na tayo sa lobby ng Cebu Safari. Uwi na! So maganda siya. So nga lang, malas kami kasi umulan nang pumunta kami dito. Basa pero okay naman. Right, man?
Yes,
Is it-
they said it's the best adventure ever.
Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's worth it because
More better than a North.
pinatibayan ko na.
1,100.
So 1,100 per head if weekdays, no?
Yeah, weekdays.
So 1,100 per head if weekdays. So ibang rate pag weekend. And kung pupunta kayo dito, sana avoid nyo yung peak season kasi
Or it
daming
might
tao.
be better if mag-exclusive.
then meron pa silang mga zipline, yung nagbabike ka sa parang zipline na nagbabike, tsaka giant swing, pero hindi siya available ngayon kasi umuulan. So okay lang. Si Risa lang naman gustong mag zipline.
Now,
So yeah, sulit, another achievement at luck, sabi ni J4.
Mom, look at Daddy. Hey, look at Daddy's hand.
yeah.
Uwi na.